Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl andjeleanemichelle here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I set up my in-house photography studio. I hope you guys enjoy this video, so please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and also don't forget to look inside of the description box because I will be leaving all the product links down below. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. I just wanted to give y'all a little background of this kit that I got off of eBay, y'all. This kit was literally an all-in-one. It came with the soft lights, the clamps, the stand, the reflectors, the backdrops, if I didn't already say backdrops, but the backdrops. And y'all, I really do like this kit, and it didn't cost me nothing over $120, so that was a big plus about it. And I'm going to leave the link down below, so if you guys want to get this same exact kit, you guys can. And y'all, I'm so excited to show y'all everything that came in this kit, so let me go ahead and show y'all. Okay, you guys, so this is the bag where you can place all the items in. This is the black and gold umbrella. This is the black and the silver umbrella, and I'm just going through this very quickly. Next, I'm going to be showing y'all the complete white umbrella. These are the pieces that goes for the backdrop. You can make the backdrop as big or as small as you would like. I did use 4 of these in the video. Also, here's the backdrops that are provided. It is green, white, and black. I am going to show you guys how the black looks. And if you plan on using this, I would recommend you ironing it because it does come very, very wrinkly. And then now I'm going to show you guys the reflectors. I think it comes in 4 colors like gold, silver, white, and black. And this is how the gold side looks, and then this is how the white side looks. And you can take it out of the little case that it's in, flip it inside out, and then turn it to silver and black. So this is how the soft lights look. It does come with light bulbs included, but the light bulb is of 65 watts. I would recommend you getting a light bulb of a higher wattage so that the photos can come out brighter. And I'm also going to show you guys how the inside of these soft lights look. And then after this particular video, I'll be going in to show you guys how I set it up. So you guys, that's it for this video. Please let me know what you guys think and if I should do more photography videos for you guys. And y'all, without further ado, happy holidays, and I will see you guys in the next video.